Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed. There was a problem connected to the server in Apple ID. If you are using an iPhone or iPad and you are facing this type issue that you're facing a pop-up message verification failed, there was a problem connected to the server. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when your phone have any network problem. So let's see all the network problems of your iPhone. So the very first, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest and a stable network connection, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. And once you have done, you have to go back, open your settings app, then go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, either disconnect with that, and after that it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to go for general, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, but it will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and your hotspot. So if there will be any issue with your network, it will be fixed in this step and your issue will be fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to make a forced restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up and volume down. Press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to try a strongest network connection, or I recommend you have to use the strongest Wi-Fi connection. It will not get these type issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.